Hey, what's going on, guys? Ronnie here again with Osborn, and today we're going to be going over the Osborn 4-in-1 fitting brush. Now, this thing is pretty sweet. I would assume that mainly a plumber is going to keep this in his toolbox. Maybe some other trades, I'm not really sure, but I know this is great for copper, right? So we got 3/4 inch on this side, 1/2 inch on this side. This will be your fitting brush side. This is what you'll use to clean the inside of your fitting, and this will clean the outside of your pipe. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so what we got right here, some copper pipes you typically find in, residential or commercial, old copper pipes, right? Which obviously have been sitting out in the weather a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start out with a 1/2 inch right here. And what you do is you just put your 1/2 inch pipe in right there, insert it, and just start spinning it. Look at that. Gets it real nice and clean. And then what you do is after that, get your 1/2 inch fitting that you're gonna be using. And you stick that right in there like that. Look how clean that is up there on the inside. And that's what you want. You want to have clean working surfaces. And you would go ahead and solder that up, put some flux on or whatever, but you're ready to go. Go ahead and get that together and do the 3/4 inch one right here. Put that guy right in there like that. And I'm spinning the pipe as well as spinning the 4-in-1. You can try to do both at the same time. And I'm going in one direction. I find it to work better if you go in one direction. Look at that. Nice and clean, that's what you want. We'll go ahead and clean our fitting up. 3/4 inch fitting brush. That nice and clean in there. And there you go. That's the Osborn 4-in-1 fitting brush. All right, so we just got done cleaning our pipe and our fittings using the Osborn 4-in-1 fitting brush. Like I said, this is an ideal tool if you're a plumber, you run copper. Definitely keep this in your toolbox. It'll help you out a lot. As you can see, it takes, this is what this looked like, right? Look how clean we got it. So definitely super handy, super easy to use. Just put that thing right in there and just start spinning it. Now, if you need any more information or want to know any more about these products, just go to osborn.com and you can find it all there.